Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn about properties of matter. So, please pay attention and keep on watching. If you want to study about the properties of matter better, first you must know the definition of matter. Do you know what is matter? Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space, or it has volume. Matter is what makes up everything in our world. Your kitchen table and the milk you drink are matter. Everything you can see and touch is made up of matter. The steam your breath makes on a cold morning is matter too. In matter, there are two terms about mass and volume. Do you know what is mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. And do you know what is volume? Volume is the amount of space something occupies. There are 5 states of matter that exist in our environment. First, post-instant condensate. Second, solids. Third, liquids. Fourth, gases. And the last, plasmas. But for today, we only study about solids, liquids, and also gases. First, about solids. Solids are materials that have a defined shape and volume that stays the same. Rocks are a good example of a solid. They have a rigid shape that is not easily changed. The other example of solids are book, pencil, door, tables, and so on. And now about liquids. Liquids are a type of matter that changes shape depending on the shape of its container. For example, when you pour milk or water into a cup, it takes up the cup's inner shape. The other example of liquids are water, juice, and so on. And last, about gases. Matter that spreads out to take up all the space available in the container is called a gas. Air is a gas. Oxygen is a gas. So, it's helium which is put inside birthday party balloons. And now, let's study about changing states of matter. First, the phase change from the solid to liquid, it's called melting. And the phase change from the liquid to solid, it's called freezing. Then, the phase change from the solid to gas, it's called sublimation. And the phase change from the gas to solid, it's called deposition. Next, the phase change from the liquid to gas, it's called evaporation or vaporization. And the last, the phase change from the gas to liquid, it's called condensation. If there is question about how does matter change from one state to another, so the best answer is matter changing state when energy is added or taken away. Most matter changes because of heat energy. Changes in pressure can change matter too. The atoms and molecules that make up matter are always moving. Even the molecules in solids are moving, just not very much. When matter is heated enough, the molecules move faster and with greater energy. If enough heat is added, a solid can become liquid, and a liquid can become gas. In the same way, molecules slow down when they are cooled. Matter that is cooled to a certain point changes. For example, a liquid becomes a solid. So now, let's discuss the question about properties of matter. If there is question, why does a balloon explode if we continuously blow into it? So the best answer is, the balloon that was originally deflated after being blown will expand. Air that is filled into the balloon can make the balloon expand because the material for which the balloon is made, namely rubber, is an elastic material. Besides that, the air that is blown on the balloon fills the entire space occupied. When air enters the balloon, it fills the empty space in the balloon and it exerts pressure on the balloon so that the balloon inflates. We need to remember that the gas is not only pressing in one direction but pressing in all directions. Although they are elastic, they can also explode if you blow them continuously. This is because too much air fills the balloon, so the air presses on the balloon wall and makes the elasticity of the balloon reach its maximum limit. Eventually, the balloon will explode. Okay, I think enough for today. I hope this video can be useful for you. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.